In 2026, Iran stands out as one of the world's most prolific military drone developers. Despite decades of sanctions and isolation, Tehran has built an arsenal of unmanned aerial vehicles that serve a variety of roles, from long-range strike missions to reconnaissance and precision attacks. Today, we break down the top 3 Iranian military drones that define Tehran's UAV capabilities in 2026 and explain why they matter strategically. First, Qaed's Mohajer 10, the long-range strike and ISR drone. At the top of Iran's UAV hierarchy in 2026 is the Qaed's Mohajer 10, the latest and most capable combat drone in service. The Mohajer 10 is a long-endurance strike and surveillance platform with operational range of up to 2,000 kilometers, up to 24 hours flight endurance, capacity to carry around 300 kilograms of payload, including guided missiles and bombs, and multiple weapons options like the Almas missile, Game Bomb, and Dastvara Arman 1 glide bombs. Unlike simpler UAVs, Mohajer 10 blends strike power with long-distance intelligence gathering, enabling Tehran to project force and collect battlefield information deep into contested regions. This combination makes it a strategic asset suitable for high-value strike missions, deep reconnaissance, and electronic warfare support. Second, Shahed 149 Gaza, the heavy high-endurance UCAV. Next up is the Shahed 149 Gaza, one of Iran's largest and most sophisticated unmanned combat aerial vehicles, UCAVs. This drone is often compared to Western heavy UAVs for its size and endurance, large wingspan, 22 meters, and heavy payload capability, designed for long-duration missions with flight endurance up to around 35 hours in some demonstrations, and capable of carrying significant munitions, including guided bombs and precision strike payloads. The Gaza's mission profile goes beyond simple reconnaissance or short-range attack. It can operate at high altitudes, stay airborne for prolonged periods, and serve multi-purpose roles in both surveillance and combat. While exact combat performance remains debated by analysts, the Shahed 149 symbolizes Iran's advance toward heavier and longer-range drone platforms, narrowing the gap with conventional medium-altitude long-endurance UAVs used by major militaries worldwide. Third, Hadid 110 jet-powered stealth strike drone. The third major UAV redefining Iran's drone arsenal in 2026 is the Hadid 110, a jet-powered stealth strike drone, unveiled in late 2025. Unlike slower propeller-driven drones like the Shahed series, Hadid 110 is designed for high speed over 500 kilometers per hour, reduced radar signature, aiming to be harder for air defenses to detect, and capability to carry a 30-kilogram warhead tailored for precision attacks against hardened targets, such as radar installations, command centers, or critical infrastructure. The Hadid 110 is significant because it represents a shift in Iranian UAV design away from simple loitering munitions and toward faster, more survivable strike platforms that can penetrate defended airspace. While some skepticism remains about the full extent of its stealth and operational performance, Hadid 110 clearly signals Iranian ambitions to field a new generation of autonomous combat UAVs that can challenge enemy defenses. In 2026, the top three Iranian military drones, Qad's Mohajer 10, Shahed 149 Gaza, and Hadid 110, showcase a clear evolution, from simple tactical UAVs through long-range surveillance and strike platforms, toward faster, harder-to-detect combat drones. Each serves a distinct role in Iran's defense and deterrence posture, helping Tehran project power, gather intelligence, and challenge enemy forces in a rapidly changing aerial battlefield. As aerial warfare becomes increasingly dominated by unmanned systems, Iran's UAVs, especially these top three, are important players on the world stage.